Kay Ate Nix. Hello. Ay, vlog siya. Kaya, we're going to the north side of Batanes today. See ya.
Yeah.
We are here at Basco Batanes town proper, and we are visiting Santo Domingo Cathedral Church.
Hello vlog! Meron nga pala kaming human drone.
It is the first Catholic church in Batanes, built in the early 18th century. The Basco Cathedral, canonically named as Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Cathedral, and commonly known as Santo Domingo Church. It is a Roman Catholic cathedral church located in Basco, Northern Batan Island, Batanes in Philippines.
Oh wow! Eh dito pala.
That is Mount Iraya.
And now we are here at Vayang Rolling Hills, still in North Batan, Batanes. The Basco Rolling Hills are a must destination for nature enthusiasts and anyone seeking a peaceful escape. Tunay nga na nakaka-mesmerize yung beauty ng lugar na ito dahil sobrang unique ng landscape niya, very greenery yung buong paligid. Downside nga lang niya is sobrang lakas ng hangin. Kaya ng mga time na to, medyo nililipad na kami ng hangin pero tuloy pa rin kami sa pag-photoshoot. Pero very enjoyable ang feeling. The province's most iconic structure, the Basco Lighthouse. The Basco Lighthouse is one of the 2 in the island and 3 in the entire province. The other 2 are in Mahatao and Sabtang.
Ay, hello po, Yaya.
The 6-story tower stands mightily in the middle of Naidi Hills. Naidi comes from 2 Batan words, na meaning past and idi meaning settlement. A viewing deck circled the 5th floor, providing a fantastic view of the West Philippine Sea and the town proper.
Where are we?
Harbour Cafe. We will be having our lunch today here at Harbour Cafe, located at National Road in the town proper of Basco, Batanes. Ang ganda ng place na to kasi while you're eating, you can see the view. You can see the sea, you can see the port area, you can see the greenery of the place. Ang ganda dito.
Wow!
Okay, nandito na po.
Ang ganda ng ano nila. Napaka-cute. Si Spider-Man. Ang ganda.
Here we are at Tukon Church. It is located at Barangay Chanarian, Tukon, Basco, Batanes. It is a simple yet very beautiful chapel with scenic view. Kuya Sonny told us that Tukon in the local Batan language means a hill or hilltop, which perfectly applies to this small chapel dedicated to Our Lady of Mount Carmel. It's a modern chapel built in the traditional style of a stone house, which is common in Batanes. Once you reach the place, you'll get the chance to enjoy the lovely scenery of Basco, with hills, the sea, a lighthouse, etc. We are at PAG-ASA weather station in Tukon, still in the North Batan of Batanes. Dito makikita nyo ang Mount Iraya, yung mga sharp cliffs by the beach. Makikita nyo din yung living to the locals. Ito yung mga small trees or tall grass-like, mga parang talahib that are planted to serve many purposes. Ito yung parang protection nila sa mga crops, para din protection sa mga animals, windbreakers, protection from soil erosion. Nagsuserve din to para boundaries or demarcation lines of the lands they own.
Sa Fundacion Pacita, ayan po yung Fundacion.
Ay, wow! Ang ganda!
Napapansin niyo ba, sir, yung taniman nila dyan? Napakaganda. Bawang po yan. Malapit na kami mag-harvest ng bawang. Sa Ilocos, marami ding bawang. Oh, yun o. Maisan at may mga gulayan. Ayun, ang daming kakao.
Dami.
Ang ganda nila.
Those are organic cows. Organic lang sila. So yung poop nila, pagka naapakan mo, hindi mabaho dahil organic kinakain, hindi feeds. Masarap ang karne. At
Sarap siguro niyan.
lamang po ang aming karne ng bahay.
Here we are at Dipnay Supuan Japanese Tunnel. The tunnel was built at the height of World War II, when Batanes was also occupied by the Japanese. Hidden in the hills of Tukon, these tunnels serve as shelter and even a lookout post for the Japanese soldiers. Last place of our tour today is the Valugan Boulder Beach. This is Boulder Beach kasi ang buong shoreline ay natatakpan ng medium to big sizes of rocks dahil sa binuga ng kalapit na bulkan na Mount Iraya noong last na sumabog ito. The place is very beautiful and Instagrammable, pero hindi maganda na lumungoy dito dahil sa malalakas na alon.
kami sa restaurant. Ganda. You know, all white kami tonight. Hello. Good evening. All white. We are here at Cafe de Tukon.
And here we are for our dinner time. We are at Cafe de Tukon. Is the in-house restaurant of Fundacion Pacita, serving the freshest farm-to-table Batan dishes.
Hello. Hi.
Play together.
Amen. Yay.
We tried also their Lunis pizza. It is a cafe signature pizza made with lunis, a traditional Batan dish of pork cooked with rock salt over firewood. Lasa ito ng ating favorite Filipino dish, ang adobo.
Walang signal dito po.
Hello.